Have you ever wondered how children and dogs seem to have an uncanny ability to distinguish between good and bad people? It's a fascinating question that has intrigued scientists, pet owners, and parents alike. Could it be that they're simply more intuitive, or is there a more scientific explanation at play? As we delve into this captivating inquiry, we'll explore a remarkable concept that is central to our understanding of social interaction and empathy. The answer to this enigma lies deep within our brains in a special type of neuron called mirror neurons. Mirror neurons are a fascinating kind of brain cell that fire not only when we perform an action, but also when we observe someone else performing the same action. These unique neurons were discovered in the late 20th century by neurophysiologists studying macaque monkeys, and have since been observed in humans, birds, and even rodents. One of the key roles of mirror neurons is in learning through imitation. Just think about how children or even dogs pick up new skills and behaviors by observing and mimicking adults or their peers. This is the magic of mirror neurons at work. But it's not just about imitation. Mirror neurons also help us understand social cues. They allow us to read the intentions and emotions of others, a critical skill in forming and maintaining social relationships. Whether it's understanding a smile or a frown, or decoding more complex social interactions, mirror neurons are the unsung heroes behind our social understanding. Mirror neurons also play a role in what's known as emotional contagion. Ever wondered how emotions like joy, sadness, or fear can spread quickly within a group or between a person and an animal? You guessed it, mirror neurons. Our understanding of mirror neurons also has therapeutic applications. They're being studied in the fields of rehabilitation and therapy following brain injuries, as well as in teaching social skills in autism spectrum disorders. And finally, mirror neurons may even influence moral and ethical behavior. The theory suggests that by observing the consequences of others' actions, humans and animals can develop moral sentiments and preferences. In essence, mirror neurons are the biological basis of empathy, allowing us to understand and share the feelings, intentions, and perspectives of others. It's quite fascinating how these mirror neurons work in children and dogs, helping them navigate their social world. For children, mirror neurons play a crucial role in learning and social development. From an early age, children learn complex tasks, social skills, and language by watching and imitating adults. This process of learning by imitation is largely facilitated by mirror neurons. Similarly, dogs, our furry companions, also use mirror neurons to understand human emotions and commands. When a dog watches its owner, it's not just observing, it's understanding and learning. That's how they pick up commands and even understand our emotional states. Have you ever noticed how dogs seem to understand when you're happy, sad, or anxious? This empathetic behavior is in part due to the work of mirror neurons. They help dogs make sense of our actions and emotions, leading to an incredible bond between humans and dogs. So when your child or your dog seems to instinctively know who's good and who's not, you now know that it's their mirror neurons at work. The discovery of mirror neurons has significantly deepened our understanding of social interaction and empathy. These fascinating neurons found in various species, including humans and dogs, play a pivotal role in imitation and learning. By observing and mimicking behavior, both children and dogs can acquire complex tasks and social skills. Mirror neurons also facilitate our perception of others' intentions and emotions, a critical element for the development of social relationships. They enable us to read social signals and respond appropriately, leading to a deeper mutual understanding and coordinated behavior within social groups. Moreover, mirror neurons can explain how emotions such as joy, sorrow, or fear can quickly spread within a group of people or between a human and an animal. This phenomenon forms the foundation for emotional contagion, where one individual's emotions can influence the moods of those around them. Understanding the role of mirror neurons in social interaction and empathy has practical applications too, particularly in areas like rehabilitation therapy after brain injuries, or in teaching social skills in autism spectrum disorders. And finally, this theory can also offer insights into how both humans and animals develop moral sentiments and preferences, based on observing the consequences of others' actions in their social context. So next time you see your child or your dog interacting with others, remember the extraordinary world of mirror neurons that lies beneath their understanding of good and bad. Before we delve into the final thoughts, we want to take a moment to remind you of how much your support means to us. If you found this video informative and interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your likes not only motivate us to create more content like this, but also help us reach more people who could benefit from these insights. Seeing that little thumbs up symbol grow is like watching mirror neurons at work, spreading the love and appreciation from one viewer to another. It's a small action, but it has a big impact. And if you haven't done so yet, we encourage you to follow our channel. By doing so, you make sure you don't miss out on any of our future videos, exploring the fascinating world of neuroscience and psychology. Remember, your likes and follows help us bring more such fascinating content to you. So hit that like button and follow our channel now. With your support, we can continue to unravel the mysteries of the mind and share these insights with the world. Now let's wrap up our discussion on mirror neurons.